Well, hello, friend. We are here planning for the week of June 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, through the 18th. And I am going to be using what I have left over from when Coffee Planner Mom released her birthday kit, because this week on Wednesday is my birthday. What? Yup. It is the last birthday in the 30s. That's where we're at, friends. Yeah, we are. All right, so like some of these are from freebies when she released this. Some are from the kit. I'm not sure I can remember exactly. Like, obviously, if they're on the ones that say kit, then that's where they're from. But I know some of them are not. So I don't want to deter anyone if it's close to 7. If you're going, oh, where do I get that one? And you can't find it. Okay, so just FYI. I'm also going to use, I have these little header stickers from Sweet Kwai Designs, and I feel like the colors kind of go together. So we're going to use them. Why not? So we're going to go ahead and put our dates down. But before I put my dates down, I'm going to put my headers down. Well, that was noodlier than I expected it to be, but it's done. So, and it turned out super cute right there. Those little headers. All right, I'm going to cover up this week. Put this guy there. Perfect. Looks super cute. Do I have checklists anywhere? I think there was like one, and then I have bullet points. So I might have to grab some checklists from other places, but I do need a priority list for Monday. So let's go ahead and grab that. Got some to-dos to get to done. Now, I did something this week, and I want to say it was a Mel Robbins thing again, but it actually might have been a Noom thing. I can't remember anymore. I'll figure it out. Where when you're feeling overwhelmed, instead of looking like making a to-do list, make a list of things you've gotten done. And not that I was particularly overwhelmed this past week, but it was just one of those, like, even in a not overwhelmed state, I felt a difference. And it was very nice. Like, I could feel myself relaxing. And that was pretty cool. So, if nothing else, sit down and make a list of things you've gotten, as I like to say, to done. All right, I think we'll use... Oh, I've got check boxes too. I can use those on some of them. Let's do... I'm trying to think how I want. I've got 3 full boxes. I got some check boxes. Oh, it's so tricky. Let's do some streamers. Put the quote a little farther down. Now, we don't have any like big plans for my birthday or anything like that. Like, we'll do cake. I have to figure out what cake I'm getting. And what dinner I want. And that's probably going to be the extent of it. I know that as kind of a joint birthday gift, we're looking to... Oh, no. One fell off. We've got this. That's why it's a sticker. We're looking to get a Nintendo Switch. Because my husband's birthday and my birthday are so close together that a lot of times we just do kind of like a joint thing, which is fun because we're both going to use it. I am a little nervous to get one though, because I feel like I am going to lose myself in Animal Crossing. I have never played, but it seems like a game that is right up my alley. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so that's those to-dos. My doggo is barking. Bark, 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 bark. I might have to turn back. Now, if you didn't see, I did a new thing with my weekly overview, so if you didn't catch that, make sure you go back and see that video. I'm trying to decide because I have a project I'm working on. What if I use the boxes for that? Well, first let's put decorative boxes because we can. Put this one here. It's only slightly crooked, we're leaving it. And I feel like you can't put a checkbox on your birthday, right? But let's do this. And then maybe a swoosh like that. And then the birthday magic. Maybe let go of the sticker. Let go of the sticker. Now, I'm sure someone is going to ask, well, what kind of cake do you want? And what are you eating on your birthday, since that's the thing you do? I have no idea yet. I have absolutely no clue. I kind of want to get a cannoli cake because I really like cannoli. But we shall, it remains to be seen what I'm actually going to do. Okay, let's do a checkbox. I feel like that one's too close. Do we do the balloons? I don't know. Got that one. So we have two like that. I know we'll need something for chores, so maybe we put this one aside for the moment. Also, I have songs from Hamilton going through my head. I've had weird songs. I think it's because I'm off of school. Like an odd assortment of songs going through my head, which is fine, but it is my occupational hazard. It is literally the thing that, oh, it's a lot. So I've had songs from Hamilton and then songs from News Gaming. Like I said, odd assortment. I think we'll do this one here. Why not? Just do it, Holly. You're good. It's fine. And then we can maybe add some. We have the windows open because it's cool enough to have the windows open today. And that's really nice because we've had some warmer weather days. And then with being sick and my allergies being so messed up, we had to close the windows. It was imperative that we close the windows. Oh, yeah. That worked out. And I'm trying to think about, let me go to my monthly real quick. Because I know we have an appointment on Monday that's new. See, now because I mentioned Neems Gaming, the song switched. This happens to me all of the time. Okay, so here is Dad, dentist again. So he had his appointment on Friday, and so then the follow-up is here for like cavities and stuff like that. His extra stuff. So let's put a box for that. It's a later afternoon one too. So there's that. I feel like we need to put the celebrate. It doesn't have to be on the day. This is a whole like birthday week fun frivolity. Fun and frivolity. Let's use this for the to-dos because this is my chore list. Oh, those doggos. And then we'll put the Monday through Friday in the notes. I like doing that. My goal this week is to get back into a regular tonal routine, meaning I'll be back doing my 20 and 20. I don't want that to cover up that though. So let's maybe do a little so that's going to be my tonal schedule. Where is my pen? Tonal. This will be chores. I'm just double checking that I don't have a thing I could use that would work. Note to self, not really. I mean, clean the house would work. I know some people would be like, clean the house on your birthday week. Yes, chores still need to be done, okay? Does not matter. Do I have any other appointments? I don't think so. So I think I might just add a few boxes just for fun now. Just for fun. So I can cover up celebrate. Let's do it down here. I do a don't forget because usually I use this for next week, but this time I'm gonna use it for pink zebra stuff. Palooza. So I'm doing a event in my group. I don't think that's the exact title of it, but it's a little fun event in my Facebook group. So 2 p.m. Dad, dentist, call Dad, GP, call my GP, take care of that. Library, because I finished my first summer reading book, and since this is a 2-hour appointment, if I'm the one taking him, I want to make sure I go grab the next book, please and thank you. So, and then Facebook, Palooza starts. So yeah, that's super fun. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this at this moment. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you in my next video, and I'll catch you later. Have a great week.